So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LG TV could not stabilize a connection to the access point. Wi-Fi reset guide. Fix 1 is update location and zip code. Press the setting button on your LG remote, navigate to all setting, then journal, then system, then location. Ensure the correct country and zip code are entered. Restart your phone, try connecting again. Second fix is power cycle the TV and router. Unplug the power cord from the back of your LG TV, unplug your internet router and modem from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Plug the router or modem back in and wait until the lights are fully active. Plug the TV back into the wall. Attempt to connect the TV to your Wi-Fi. Third fix is forget and re-add the network. Navigate to settings and select all setting. Go to connection and choose Wi-Fi connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and click on disconnect or forget network. Reconnect to your network. Carefully re-enter the Wi-Fi password. Fourth fix is test with a mobile hotspot. Turn on the mobile hotspot on your smartphone. On your LG TV, attempt to connect to your phone's hotspot. If the connect to the phone but not your home router, your router settings are in the issue. If it fails on both, the TV's Wi-Fi module may be malfunctioning. Fifth fix is change DNS settings. Navigate to settings, select network and choose Wi-Fi connection. Access advanced Wi-Fi setting. Uncheck the box labeled set automatically. In the DNS server field, input 8.8.8.8 and click connect. Sixth fix is factory reset the TV. Navigate to setting, then select all setting. Go to journal and choose system. Click on reset to initial setting. Complete the initial setup wizard. Reconnect to your network. Thanks for watching.